Alright, hello YouTube, and today
Bro,
we'll
what
be
is
checking
that?
out the new Animal Company. I'm sure it just came out today because I played this game every day, you know? Because it's a low-key better than Gorilla Tag. Gorilla Tag don't have a lot of updates.
You guess what? Stand still.
You don't even gotta say
stand
lucky.
still. Stand still. Stand still.
So we're gonna be checking out the new update. As I said, with these two people, we're basically matching.
These two
we're wearing
idiots.
the same exact stuff.
I'm a ghost. I'm a ghost. I'm a ghost. Ooga booga.
Oh, all right.
So apparently
Y'all wanna
you
go
just gotta
mining
kill
to
yourself.
see something in the mines? Y'all wanna check out the mines? Cause last time there was like an update in mines. Last time.
So how about I
But
tell
I
you
have
about
not
this?
checked out this
new game?
update whatsoever.
Come here.
He's touching me. He's touching me. You should sell me. Sell me. Sell me.
What? Wait, they added this. Wait, can you sell it? Wait.
No,
Wait,
no,
no, sell
we're
me,
trying to
sell
sell
me.
him. We're trying to sell him. We're trying to sell his ghost body.
You should totally like let me sit down real quick, like so I could totally not fly away.
Sell him. Sell him.
I can.
He's selling the little body. Shoddy little baddie.
Dowdy like a melody. How much we get for him? Oh, we got nothing. And he's
He's
gone.
still in there.
Oh no, he's not. He's right here. Come back
Please
in.
leave me
Get him. Put him back in his body. Put him
Get
back
back
in his
alive,
body.
please.
But
You could live.
But
You have to hold him on it.
Come on.
Man, it didn't work over too late.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Get y'all loot. We're gonna go mining.
Watch this.
Wait, how do you work the cube dynamite? I never knew how.
This?
Can I have one? Can I have one? Can I have a cube dynamite?
Yeah, I
Can you
got
give me
you,
one?
gang.
Ow! I just hit my wall.
There you go.
Bro, I'm about.
Nah, that's right.
Blocks. I was trying to be Steve. I can't.
All right, come
ran
on,
out of the
y'all.
time.
Let's
Wait, let me have
go.
a pickaxe. Let me have a pickaxe.
All right, I got y'all.
someone put me back in my body.
Bro, quit dying, bro. Swear to God, we gonna leave you here, bro. We don't care about you.
Yeah, but your yeah is bouncing.
I get it. I'll meet y'all
gotta
in
go
the
get my-
caves. Well, or mines, either one. Bro, he said, yo, y'all bouncing. That's crazy. It's actually just that's kind of freaky, not gonna lie.
I'm on my.
Hey, did they change it back to original caves?
Have you seen any new mobs?
Yeah, it's new. They changed the way to the caves. Come look.
Where are you? Where are
The way is over here. We're in the mines. I'm not saying it again, but you're staying. We're not going back there no more.
Let me have it. Please, let me have it.
I need it more than you. Once said, never done. Yes. Got one chat. What am I saying? Chat when I'm not on Discord. I just be doing that. Go to the bottom. I just like calling up chat, bro. I don't know why. Cause I just like chat. Quit taking all this stuff I need.
Wait, is there
bruh.
a new map? Is there a new map?
Maybe. Do you think we're planetarium? Do you think
I got one.
Hey, do you think planetarium changed?
Yeah, this
Yo,
is.
guys, I'm on my way.
No.
I'm on my way.
Y'all got a nut shredder.
What's that?
Alright, go back up. So,
Wait, bro, I'm getting too distracted.
Wait, I don't think there's no more monsters. Noticed? Where's all the monsters? Where's the monsters?
I don't know.
No, there's more, and I'm pretty sure there's more stuff. Come on.
Yeah, we gotta check out more of the update. We gotta check out more. So far, chat, we found some things. A few things. By which I mean some things.
What is that?
Wait, what's
Wait, is that
this?
spider dead?
Wait, they changed how the spider looked.
Bro, it looks like a dead spider.
This isn't a new area over here. I feel like I've been here before. So it's not
Yeah,
new.
this is the lava map.
Oh yeah, as I said. I was there in another video. There's the monster.
What the heck?
Beat him.
Give me a shredder.
Oh, I got this from a block box.
From what box? That box?
The one I killed a spider and it gave it to me.
Oh, alright. I wanted
Yeah, I'm
to
not
think
going
of this box thing. You really have to do that, bro?
We're on the way. We're on the way to bunker.
I'm not going to bunker, but y'all can.
Alright, you gotta come down with us. No, let's go back up. Let's go back up. Come here.
How do we?
I guess we're not
Where's my
exploring
knife
that.
cutter?
Alright, go in here.
Where's my stuff? Oh, you're not sure.
Forget it. Alright, I didn't want to do him like that, but I just had to, bro. I had to say it. Alright, come on. How about we check out somewhere over here? This is a pretty small update so far. Well, not very small, but still a pretty small update. Oh, also that last video I posted, I suppose Queso ate all the food. Well, not even Queso. Queso ain't that big, bro. Queso just normal. I suppose Nicocado avocado ate y'all.
They added hitboxes to the chickens.
They been had hit by Wait, is there a new Go! New area, y'all?
Wait, do they still have the maze? I think they still have the maze.
Last time I was in the maze, I died. No. My backpack's gone. Go at the maze, y'all. Go at the maze. So,
What's up, bro?
this is what we're gonna start. Ooh.
What are we even supposed to do?
We gotta go to the end.
He's right here. He's right here. Where? What's the end? Oh, is
Alright,
that?
come here.
Is the egg the end?
Alright, wait. Yeah, let's go try to get the egg. So we start right here. So somebody remember this.
Is there?
So make a left,
Not me, bro. I
Left,
ain't not gonna remember.
up,
Wait,
left,
I can screenshot it. I can screenshot it.
left, up, right. Okay. I'll remember it all.
Move, Red.
Left, up, right, down, right, up.
Move, Red. I'm trying to take a flick.
Alright, I see the way. I see it.
We're waiting for him.
You screenshotted it,
The
right?
good thing about these,
Yeah, screenshotted it.
is if one of your teammates gets lost,
Yeah,
then
you
he
can follow it.
your track.
Wait,
got
if
it.
we die, technically, if we
Oh,
die, then
also,
both
that
of all of us-
monster in here is scary. I always wonder what was in
Wait,
the
over
egg.
here.
Yeah, bro, it's actually diabolical.
That's actually diabolical.
They made the egg harder to get. Wait, let me check the screenshot. Alright. Kamara. My gallery better hurry up. I ain't got that much space.
Near the end.
What's up, buddy?
Stupid chicken! Revive me! Revive me, please! Somebody get me, please!
I died.
Please, I'm dead too. Where are you? Hey, that's...
I'm trying to find you.
We died, bro. Follow it.
Where are you? I see your body.
Yeah, wait. Let me go back over there with my, little...
Hi!
Hey,
You
oh,
look like a little emoji.
you look like
You look like a little emoji.
You look so ugly. Why do you still have... Yeah, bro.
Bro, turn around. Just turn around.
Bro,
Come here. Come here. I'm trying to see that butt.
what the heck?
I'm gonna go get the egg.
No, ran out of time. So we're not gonna go there. Where else may they? What else might they have updated?
What the?
I have no idea.
Come here!
Anyways, we're dead.
Come here! Wait, come here!
Are you talking about the computer? Yeah, I have no idea what's going on with the computer.
Oh wait.
These
What?
What the heck?
No way!
Oh my
What
god!
the heck is this?
It's the office. Down here, office.
Wait, what? No way! You're not. Oh.
So if you jump into office,
Wait, what?
can,
No way!
It's a shortcut.
Come on, y'all. Let's go back.
Wait, I'm
Let's check out. Let's check out office.
No, we need to check
Come here.
the rest of
Come
this-
here, read this. Pair up with
We
the
need-
buddy. 3 research points.
3 research points for what?
Climb the tower. Approach every situation. First mindset value.
Hey, y'all. Should we
What?
check the new promo codes?
Wait, yo, what is this? Yo, come up.
I'm trying, but I'm bad at the game, bro.
Oh, it's only up.
Oh. Wait, it's...
We should do only up.
Wait, if we beat the only up, will we get 3 research points then?
Yep.
Let's do it, bro. That's actually W.
Wait. Let's try to beat it, y'all.
Yeah, that's
No
W.
impulse and no blue thing. What's that?
What's gonna happen?
Hey, should we go get some rockets? Should we go back to spawn and get some rockets?
You're not allowed. You get probably.
No, I don't think so. I'm gonna go back real quick. Wait. Speaking of go back.
Okay, but I'm almost.
Wait, I don't know how to go back, actually. Wait, how do we die? How did we die? Oh no! Did we go through there? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, TV! Much
Y'all think
better.
I know what it does. You physically can't use use it. It'll make a beeping. It goes. Ah, ah.
Like, I tried to use this, it didn't work.
Oh no, yeah, you're right. We can't use it. Wait, guys, I have an idea. How about we get really long tools, right? Thing that's long like this, look.
Yeah, can
and
you
we
give
can
me
go
some?
like that just in case we fall.
Can
Here,
you give me some?
take that. No, I can't get it. I can't.
Yeah, I'm trying to beat this only up, bro. I'm so.
Kinda heavy, huh?
It's getting harder.
I think this is how y'all.
How much is one cell phone?
Alright, come on, y'all.
Ow, ow.
Wait. Wait, no. Don't think I could, huh?
Speedrun.
I'm here. No, but my backpack is automatically left. What?
No, once you die, you restart at the end.
Oh no. Nah, bro, how'd you get in with the lance? Oh yeah, I'm in. Hey yo, where are you? Let's do it. Alright. Oh.
Alright, I'm speedrun.
Alright, chat. Hey y'all, I'm gonna start playing Got Tag more, y'all. Y'all know it? Cause I'm gonna go ghost hunting in my next video, and that's for sure. Alright, y'all, I'm finna.
Are y'all still?
Yeah, I'm still here. I'm gonna go up. Alright, the lances failed. But y'all go back down.
I'm at the top. Yeah, there's.
Go back. Alright. So that's the end of the update that I'm gonna record. I might do another video on this update if I figure out what else is here. And yeah. That's about it.